emblems came in when I told y'all I had those already, you know what I'm saying? We'll do a comparison. Classic Caprice Chevrolet. I think so. I don't know, to me, it looked better.
Yeah. Start nigga. 2-time. Buddha. Start. Yeah, we rollin' in them Chevys. Yeah, we rollin' in them Chevys. Yeah. That pink box Chevy, that blue box Chevy, that white box Chevy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Got that pink box Chevy, that blue box Chevy, that white box Chevy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah. Hey, I said I be pulling up in these cities.
What's up with it, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all tuned into another video, guys. All right, today, guys, we got this. Emblems came in when I told y'all I had those already, you know what I'm saying? For the tag. Let me get out this. Damn. But anyway, finally came in. Finally came in. That's what we got. All right, so first thing first, I'm gonna take these and we're gonna compare these to the one that's, matter of fact, I don't have it on my pink card. I should have ordered these for my pink car as well, because I ain't got them for that, but I got them on the blue car. So we're gonna do a comparison. On the look, and then also which side, because I don't want to put it on the wrong side. So technically, okay, we'll do a comparison. Okay, so they're the same one. Okay, cool. Now the Classic Caprice, I think goes. Do the Classic Caprice comes right here, guys? Classic Caprice Chevrolet. I think so. That's what I think how it goes. But if not, we're gonna put it on there anyway. So I just want to kind of see where about is gonna go. So I say the VR is in the middle of this light. That's how I say it. The VR is in the middle of that third light. The Chevy Caprice sign gonna have to go on the other side of the car. And I think that's gonna like bring it out a little more in the back. So I'm thinking about taking it up there to see some. Oh, okay. I'm thinking about taking up there to Buffalo place tomorrow, because I know I ain't gonna have the time today. But yeah, I just think it's gonna bring it out more, man. Oh shit. It's this one right here. I think it's gonna bring it out more. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna sit y'all down and actually there's some peel stick on the back side. All right, y'all let me know what y'all think. Now, it's crazy, both my cars don't have the Chevy sign, but I think it brought it on out a little bit. Just gotta blend in. Now I just gotta undo my lights, man. What y'all think though? She's getting more complete as the more I do to it. And the good thing about this is only peel and stick. So that's the only thing we got. So man, we gotta get, like I said, I just want the red lights back on here. Now I know some people don't have nothing on their trunk, and that's cool. But like I said, I just wanted to get it to kind of make it complete almost. But just got a little more 5 minutes ago, man. So what we about to do now, I had a little scrubbing on this side, on that back. So we're finna take the towel and fix those. Now, how I do it sometimes, I have to drive my car, and then when I start hearing them with the tire marks, I take them off, then I see exactly where the tire start hitting, because it'll be kind of, you'll see the rub. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna cut all that off and just do it like that, man. So, yeah, guys, we damn near getting it complete, man. But yeah, really thinking about going to the muffler shop and go and get those mufflers put on. Well, the tips put on. So we thinking about it, guys. But just wanted to make this little quick video on the Chevy signs. I forgot why. I think I just typed in, if y'all want to know, I just typed in emblem Chevy sign, the Caprice emblems. That's what we did. So now I want to get it to where like when I open the door, the lights, but after I get all this clean, I want white, lights down there to kind of bring out the whiteness of the car. But like I said, we already got that stuff coming. But yeah, guys, man, y'all comment below, man. Let me know, man. I know it's a quick video, but there's something we want to install real quick, man. But I got to find something to take these off. All right, guys, we're back, man. I want to show y'all something real quick, man. I could not just, I don't know, I couldn't do it. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all, man. I just took the tint off the back here. And I don't know, to me, it looked better. Look better without the tint, man. What y'all think? Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if it looked better without the tint lights. I feel like the dark was kind of just overdoing it, but now that I got the emblems and stuff like that, I just think that red just hit a little different. You know what I'm saying? That red do hit a little difference. So yeah, guys. I think everything blending in now. Now, it's time to, like I said, man, that's just half of it, man. To bring this car, and y'all knew what the back of the trunk looked like at the time. Now y'all can see how everything kind of flows, man. You got the trunk emblem, you got the emblems on the side, lights did. The bumper was gold, but now you got a chrome. Now she's squatting on 8. And now we just got done doing a little fabrication, man, on a frame, like on the fender and stuff like that, where the wheels were hidden. Going down the slope and stuff like that, man. If you driving straight, your car might be riding good, but when you go down on curves and stuff like that, that's when your car get the tilting. And when it tilt, it kind of brings out, it kind of show you where you need to cut it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment below, man. Let me know what else I need to do besides the, front emblem. Let me know what else I need to do, man.